Alright, so let's go ahead and try this problem. Find the center and radius given the equation. Graph your results. We're given x minus 2 squared plus y plus 5 squared equals 9. Ivan, can you tell us the equation for a circle, please?
Parenthesis x minus h, parenthesis squared, plus parenthesis y minus k, parenthesis squared equals r.
Okay, we should observe a couple of things. I noticed in doing this problem, I see that the formula has a minus sign. That's noted in red. Over here though, look, this one doesn't have a minus sign. So the question is, how can I write it with a minus sign? Let's write it together, class. X minus 2 squared plus y minus what? Can I put a 5 here? Can your bank account all of a sudden go from positive to a negative? You get a paycheck, but in math you can't just change the number to a positive to a negative. But I can change the positive 5 to the opposite of a negative 5. The reason why I changed the positive 5 to a negative is because in the formula you must have a minus sign. Class, how can I write this now with an exponent of 2? That would be 3 squared. Okay, if you get stuck on that, just make r squared equal to 9 and you solve and you get an r value. Okay? What does that tell us? Now I can figure out my h value. Do you see how I did not highlight the red subtraction sign? Class, what is our h value? 2. Positive 2. Okay? At every class, a couple of students are like, why is it positive? Well, look in the formula. There's the x value. There's the minus sign. Your h value is 2. If I come over here, class, what is our k value? Our k value is negative 5. It's a negative 5 because this plus became an opposite of a negative number, and the red has to be there. That's why I put it in red. K is negative 5. Class, what is our r value? Our r value is 3. Now, h and k are a order pair. Let's go ahead and graph it. It says, graph your results. Take our straight edge. Returning to precision. You can kind of estimate which quadrant that's going to be in. Quadrant 4. That way we can kind of predict where I need to kind of draw my graph. Now, sometimes I'll use the word label. Everyone say label. Label actually means not just having the order pair, 2, 5, but labeling it means actually writing the coordinates and writing what is it. It's the center. That's what it means to label. So pay attention to what I ask on your quiz or test. The next thing it tells us to do is the radius. So from this point I can count 3 to each direction. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's the definition of a circle, right? From the center to any point on the circle, it has a radius of 3. You're not being judged on the shape of your circle. You are being judged on those points. Okay? And this is how we get our... We found the center and the radius from the equation. Just change the positive to a negative. Pay attention to your negative signs.